As you can see, I jumped a little bit ahead here. I have their stove bolt setting between the frame rails of our 50 truck. Now, it is only temped in, meaning I have it bolted down, but I'm actually going to use the truck as the test stand. You might notice that this looks relatively familiar because it is part of the test stand. The reason being is it would have taken me longer to fabricate up some brackets and so on and so forth to hold the front and the back of this engine on the test stand than what I really wanted to take. Unfortunately, I don't have our body completed as far as the floor plan, so it's going to have to come back out. But we're going to get this fired up now and get the cam, everything broke in. I have water run to it. I have some hoses hooked up so I can actually cool it if I need to. I can kind of monitor that temperature. I like to do that on the break-in side of things. Gives me that little bit of extra control. We have our oil filter temporaried up here on a C-stand. We have fuel lines run. I have electrical run as far as power to the coil. I even have it on a toggle switch so I can shut it off quickly opposed to just yanking a wire off. I'm going to use an electric fuel pump just so I can prime the mechanical. I don't need to spin the motor a bunch just to prime the mechanical. I'd much rather pre-prime it and then get the engine to fire up and run right away opposed to wasting all the battery potentially getting fuel to the carburetor. So with that, I am going to prime that. Water's in it, oil's in it, it's been primed, and I think everything's connected. So here we go. How about that? She purrs nice at 500 RPM. Beautiful.